are now at Kibbutz Neot Smadar, and I am joined by Anat Gan-Or, who is one of the founders of this very interesting location. Over 3 decades you've been here. Thank you for joining us.
Welcome.
So first, let's start with where we're standing. This is obviously such a unique spot. You don't see something like this anywhere in Israel. What is it, and how did you build it?
This is the Arts and Crafts Center. When we were in Jerusalem, we had a dream of when we will come and live together to create a place where we can work together under one roof. There are a lot of artisans among us, and we thought this would be an incredible endeavor to make a communal work of art.
So explain this kibbutz and why it's unique and different from others that we see in Israel. I mean, it really has a real communal premise, but also everything we just, all the food is organic that you grow. Explain why that's a big part of this community.
It started in the 80s around a man called Yosef Safra. He was a very charismatic man and had a vision of the time, and young people gathered around him, and we were talking about the condition of men, of our situation, of people's situation, of suffering, of running to be somebody, of the hectic life that we live. We used to meet every week at his house for many years, and eventually, after about 8 or 10 years, we decided that we want to learn ourselves through relationships in a more holistic frame.
Anat, where are we now?
We're now in Ich's workshop. You see, we have all kinds of workshops here in the Arts and Crafts Center. And Ich, like other artisans here, runs workshops for people who come here for a week. And we call it workshop it's called Art and Contemplation.
Right now, we are inside a very special place, right? It's a sukkah and also the community center, meeting center?
Well, it's a meeting center. We meet here for our regular weekly conversations, where it's not conversations about how to run the place, but more conversations of things that we are interested in, to contemplate about, to think about, to look at. Somebody brings a subject. We all participate.
Nat, thank you so much for your hospitality.
You're
and
welcome.
Sharing all of the fruits of this wonderful example of community and beauty.